AAG recommends this terrace house. Can park 2 cars. Nice greenery facing. Here's level 1. Spacious living room. With the right furniture, you can bring out the true charm of this home. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. Cozy dining area. Moving on to level 2. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Spacious bedrooms for your family. Let your imagination run wild to transform this house. Check out level 3. Call our AAG real estate consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.